Calling all NTCA members, a golden opportunity awaits for your children and grandchildren. Introducing the NTCA Tom Oddie Ceramic Tile Scholarship, tailored specifically for the next generation of your family. It's more than just a scholarship, it's an investment in their future. If you're a proud NTCA contractor member in good standing or work for one, your children and grandchildren are eligible for this unique chance. Ensure your family marks their calendars. Applications are open now and are due by February 15th, 2024. For the application, they should be ready to submit the scholarship application form, which can be found at our website, an essay or video about their ambitions and how they plan to utilize this scholarship, a genuine recommendation letter from someone outside the immediate family. But there's more. All scholarship winners will be recognized at a special reception during Coverings 2024. And guess what? NTCA has got you covered with travel and registration costs to attend this prestigious event. These were the future leaders of 2023.
All right, well, we are here talking to two NTCA scholarship winners. Ladies, you want to introduce yourselves?
Hi, my name is Isabella Fox.
My name is Meadow Carp.
Well, okay, so you've got these scholarships. What do you plan to do with them?
For me, I definitely plan to use my scholarship to help fund my college education. Right now, I'm going to RIT, the Rochester Institute of Technology in Rochester, New York, and I'm trying to get a degree in 3D digital design, so that's where my scholarship's going to go towards.
Yeah, my scholarship will fund my college for criminal justice law enforcement degree at Bemidji State in northern Minnesota, and that'll be what I'm using it for.
Well, congratulations to both of you. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.
So I'm here with Grant Owen, CC Owen Tile. So what are you going to use the scholarship for?
So I'm currently enrolled at the University of Georgia, so it'll go towards my business management education for that, which will then hopefully pay off in running a contractor's business in the future.
Any contractor's business in particular?
The family business.
Well, I'm glad Erie's going to have somebody coming into the family business. All right, and so I'm assuming you set tile today or no?
During the summers, I'll work for the family business. And so yes, during the summer.
Good. Well, congratulations and good luck at school.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Each one was awarded a $4,000 scholarship. Your child or grandchild could be next. Our heartfelt gratitude to our 2023 sponsors. Their support keeps dreams alive and flourishing. From college to vocational training, the scholarship caters to a spectrum of educational pursuits with funds directly benefiting the chosen institution. Our dedicated NTCA Board of Directors and staff will thoughtfully review every application, ensuring a fair chance for all. Thank you, Tom Oddie, an inspiring figure, a former NTCA Regional Director, and the reason this scholarship exists today. NTCA members, this is your chance to pave the way for your family's success. Our community thrives when we uplift one another, and this scholarship epitomizes that spirit. Empower the next generation and open doors for your children and grandchildren. All the details are waiting for you. Head over to www.tile-assn.com/page/NTCA Tom Oddie Scholarship and ensure they seize this incredible opportunity. Let's build their future together.